Hi. Let's solve this puzzle. There is a river with a wooden raft in it. On the left side of the river, we have 3 robbers with their loot. The blue robber has stolen 3,000, the green robber has stolen 5,000, and the red robber has stolen 8,000. We have shifted all the robbers along with their loot from one side of the river to the other. But there are some rules. Rule number 1 says that the raft can hold either 2 robbers or 1 robber and 1 bag. Rule number 2 says that no robber can be left alone with a bag worth more than the amount he stole. Rule number 3 says that 2 robbers cannot be left alone with bags that are worth more than the sum of what both originally stole. Okay. Now, let's solve this puzzle. First, the blue robber will go to the other side alone with his bag. The robber will then come back. Now, the red robber will go along with the green bag. He can go with the green bag, because his loot, which is 8,000, is more than the green bag, which is 5,000. The red robber will come back. Now, the green and blue robbers will go together. Blue robber will come back with his bag. Red robber will go there with his bag. Green robber will come back with his bag. Now, both green and blue robbers will go there. Red robber will come back alone. Red robber will go with the green bag. Now, the blue robber will come back. And finally, the blue robber will go there with his bag. And bingo! We have solved the puzzle. Thanks for watching.